Hi Capricorn, this is your quick oracle reading. Gamit natin si Wisdom of the Oracle. So your card is Between Worlds, number 3. You know what? Your greatest weapon as of now is silence. Don't show them yung mga capacity mo. Don't show them what you really know. Mga yung moment na masaya maglaro tayo ng tanga-tangahan moments. Kaya mo sila mag-expose, magbuhat mo sa ilang bangko. Because at the end of the day, sabi nga, ang isda, nanguhuli sa sariling mga bibig. So, as habang sila busy, binibuild yung sarili nila, ikaw naman maging busy ka, grounding yourself, strategizing. This is a game, this is a game that you are in, and be the chess master. Study the moves ng mga kalaban mo, and use it against them. And sabi nga, knowledge is power, and kapag alam mo yung mga galawan nila, and they are blinded, but your next move, you're on the win. I hope nakatulong, and I'll see you on our next video.